Hello everyone, I'm Jeff Girardi, CEO of ProEst, and welcome to Tech Talk. Today we're going to be talking all about integrations, and that's through using our new module we call ProEst Connect, which is our API. To take a look to see if you have access to ProEst Connect, we're going to log on, go right up to our menu here, Company Setup, Integrations, and then you'll see I have ProEst Connect listed as an integration option. There's an additional annual cost for this service. So if you did pay for it, it'll be listed here. And you'll see you turn it on or off. Now let me show you how to utilize it. Okay, to log on to ProEst Connect, you use your same logon, but you do have to go to a different URL. So I'm going to go to cloud.proest.com/connect. Log right in. And you see we're into a simplified version of our menu over here on the left. So 3 options: home, functions, and support. On the home page is giving you a quick graphic about what ProEst Connect is all about. So we have our platform, ProEst Cloud, users entering data. What ProEst Connect does is it gives you the ability to pull your data out to be utilized in any other application. So if you need to pull it out to be utilized in the dashboard or an ERP system or a PM system, a scheduling system, whatever the case may be. So it allows direct connection to your data, both pulling data out and pushing data back into ProEst. So we feel this is really important to have an open architecture so that no matter what you're utilizing for other tools in your business, you have access to your data if it's not an integration we already support. Okay, so I'm going to click on functions to give you an idea of what functions are included in the platform for ProEst Connect. And you can see all these different options: estimate types, estimate statuses, labor, the roles, workflow, your team members. When it gets to the estimate as well, like as an example, I'll click on the estimate ID here, click on Get. And you'll come in here and see exactly what we pull, even some examples of how to pull the raw data out of your platform. So this is just one example. I can come into workflow as an example, and again, it's going to give you the parameters, the headers, the tokens, everything you need to pull data out of our system or push data in using the put or the post. Okay, so that gives you an idea. This tool has gotten more and more robust over the years because we also use it to build our own integrations. So we want to make sure we're totally open, an open architecture so that you can get in, grab your data, and do whatever you'd like to do with it. We want to make sure that we are not a silo of data. And the last tab down the bottom here obviously says support, and that's for submitting support requests. This does come with our standard support policy, covers access and help on this platform as well. So we do invite you to take a look at it. We feel it's another way that we're differentiating ourselves in the industry to make sure that we are not a silo of data and your data is readily accessible. Thank you very much. We'll see you next month on Tech Talk.